Hello friend, this is Paper Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing for a new company that is called Craspire, C-R-A-S-P-I-R-E, and I will be sure to link them below. And so I'm doing kind of an unboxing, and also I will be showing you their website a little bit. So be sure and stay for that. But if you want to go directly to their website, I will also have their information in the information box below, as well as the products that I'm going to be showing you today. The next video part of this one will be when I actually create some projects, and so I am excited to work with these. These are wax seals, so really excited to let's start with the largest thing here. The largest thing here is this pack. It's kind of like a little kit, but it does not have the little spoon holder. So it's a kit without the spoon holder, but it does have the little spoon. And now I did see that other gals had used or you know, I guess received that, but they actually sold out. So that's why I was not able to get it, which reminds me, I will be putting in the information box below other crafters that have worked with this company and have made projects, so that you can have a one-stop shop and find various videos on how to do these wax. We have the little tea lights. There are 4 of them in this kit, and they come in this little package. And then I see these little wax melts, and they have these really interesting colors. So I really like that because I think it would be fun, you know, to try that out. And these do not have a wick at the end. I didn't want the wick on them is because I actually wanted to cut them and put them in here to melt, because I think it would actually be better than, you know, just holding up a wick, because I've tried that before, not with this company but with other wax melts, and I didn't love the way they came out, so I'm hoping this would be better. So I'm definitely excited to try. I love this teal. It's like a darker teal, and then this is more of a green, lighter, sort of a teal, but more like bright green, and then this is like a royal turquoisey blue, and a nice hot pink. Love that hot pink. And then some more neutral tones, like different, like gold and kind of brass, maybe. Some chocolate color here. Like a maroon, let's see, and this is like a kind of a copper, and I love this one too. This is kind of like a peach salmon, another kind of gold, but this is like a little more matted, and red. Ooh, I'm loving the red and the maroon for Valentine's. And then the gray, and then this other tone of, you know, like a little teal. So very excited for this set. I'm going to put it to the side here for a minute. Go on to the next one. Okay, so now this one also comes with a little spoon. So I guess I don't know if I needed another spoon, but I have another one, so that's kind of cool. And it comes with 2 tea lights, so this is like a little mini kit, you know. So if you order, I guess, this little kit, it comes with a little spoon and 2 tea lights, so that's cool. And it's got these really pretty pink and kind of like peach or orange bits of these little melty wax. It seems like it would be, you would be able to see it a little bit better with on some white paper maybe. So here's that pink, and then the like a very pale pink, and then like a little peachy kind of orangey So very cute. I love these colors. Again, I think, you know, for Valentine, it's going to be really fun to work with these colors here. And I'm so excited. I'm just like breaking the box. Usually I don't break boxes, but anyway. Okay. Oh, this is the little kiss. It's like a little kiss stamp. Oh, I love that. I always like to put like little kisses at the end of my videos, and so totally loving that. Super cute. And they do screw on and off, so you can replace these. And it's got this is like a really pretty wooden handle there. So there's one. This one, it says made with love. And so I love that one, because obviously if I'm making something that would be very appropriate. So very cool. They're very similar as far as the little handles. I think they have different kinds of handles too, so when you go to the website you'll be able to see that. And then last but not least, there's this one here, which is also a stamp, you know, a wax seal stamp, but it is like this. So it's definitely smaller. It does make a much smaller seal. I actually didn't pay attention to the size that these would make. I love these because they're definitely larger, as you can see. You know, they're kind of twice as large, I think. So I didn't know that this one would be quite as small as it is, but it's a kitty cat. I don't know if you can see it too well. Maybe I can show you better in the website. So, and then of course it doesn't have this kind of situation. It's just it's just this, you know, it's pretty heavy too. But and I don't know what kind of metal it is, but it's still, you know, nice and sturdy and so forth. What I like is that this side is blank, and I don't know how that would work. I do wonder, and I kind of wanted that because I like blank ones as well, because then I can, you know, do something different with them. So I don't know if that'll work, but I will certainly be playing around with that and trying it out. So, but again, I didn't realize this was going to be that small. I don't know, like just looking at it, obviously I think the larger ones are better, but I don't know, maybe I will like the smaller ones too. So anyway, that is my unboxing for today, and I'm going to be, like I said, attaching the video on me going to the website. Be sure and stay for that. So here is the website, craspire.com, and I'm just going to go through to the end of the page here so that you could see what it looks like. And I'm going to show you, or attempt to show you, the little cat that it was hard to show. So I just went ahead to the top where the search bar is, and I typed in the word cat, and then I was able to find it. There's only two, and so I went ahead and clicked on the one that I got, and you can see it there with the metal handle and what it looks like up close, and it has other pictures of different things, dimensions and so forth. And so you add to cart, and then it sends you to the next page where you can add your state. I went ahead and put my state, which is Texas, and so here I'm doing that. And if your order is over $50 or $50, I believe it's free shipping. But in this case, if I just wanted to get that one item, it would calculate the shipping. And in this case, it would be, let's see, it's calculating, and then there it says $3.50. So, and it does take a little bit to ship. It says 10 to 20 working days. But, you know, all good things require some waiting. So We're going to proceed to checkout. And when you do that, you will have a page where you can press PayPal or enter your information so that you can then log in and add your address and continue to shipping. Obviously, in my case, if I press that, since I'm not logged in, it'll just be highlighted where you need to fill things in red. And so you go ahead and just fill that in and you should be on your way to go. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this. You can also click on continue shopping and add some more things to your cart. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Be sure and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you would like to subscribe to the channel, be sure and hit the subscribe button. Love you so much. Love you so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye now.